Good morning. We are now here in Central Coast for the bike maintenance. I'm out here early today because it is a 1-hour drive from my place. So I'm actually also tweaking my camera settings because the first time na ginamit ko nung test day, I found out na meron siyang jello effect. The settings then was almost stock na nilagay ko lang sa 30 FPS. So right now I'm testing the 60 FPS. See if na-eliminate niya yung jello effect. And hopefully the video looks a lot better. I'm almost at my destination. Sabi nila 8:30 sila nag-open eh. So hopefully open na sila by this time because it's already 8:33. The name of the place is Central Coast Motorcycles and Scooters. So they said they handle MV Agusta because they were a previous dealer of the brand, and they still have their equipments, yung pang ECU check and everything. So I hope everything goes well. Should be on the left. Oh, there we go. Central Coast Motorcycles and Scooters. Will I fit? No, there's a car here. Alright, let me have a chat with them.
A few moments later.
Alright, we're just done with the service. And it's a good news. So they haven't found anything serious na pwedeng na or dapat i-repair. Yeah, so they haven't found anything serious that needs repairing. So what they just did is to change the oil, check the brake pads, check the engine. They cleared the ECU from previous errors and updated it, and that's it. It cost me about $500 for that. I was expecting a bit more, but that's good. I'm happy with that. So siguro yung mga next, the only thing that they told me is that the chain might need to be changed in the next 500 or 1,000 kilometers. That's good enough for me. So I reckon the next change oil and and yung mga small lang na mga maintenance, I'm just gonna do it myself. Alright, so we are on our way back to Newcastle from Gosford, which is about an hour away. At the moment, the weather's looking fair, but according to the weather forecast, magiging maulan sa Newcastle area pagdating ko doon. So, but I'm hoping na sana hindi. About 40% chance of rain naman, so I have 60% of no rain. I'll take that risk. Right, because of that rain, I decided to put on my high-vis. So, high-vis vest. I just got this from Bunnings. And I also placed some high-vis tapes on my bag, just in case it gets foggy or it's gonna rain. And that will at least increase my chances of being seen by other motorists. So yeah, but I'm hoping hindi siya uulan sana. I'll just try to enjoy this ride. This is my first time doing sort of a long drive with this motorcycle. It's not actually a long drive, but this is the longest that I've ridden using this motorcycle. So yeah, we're just waiting for our chance here. Parang mas smooth nga yung takbo niya ngayon na change oil. I don't know if it's mental. Well, sabi nung seller dati kaka-change oil niya, pero nung in-inspect ko yung oil after buying, maitim siya pre. So I don't know. Anyway, napalitan naman na. It's all good, it's all good. Chill ride lang tayo, chill ride. Mukhang medyo madaming sasakyan at this hour. It's what's that? 3 p.m. So by the time na ma-halfway ko to, or almost near Newcastle, yun na din yung labasan ng mga workers. So we are expecting a bit of a traffic later on. So again, I don't know how the camera is looking at the moment. This is my first time tweaking it after witnessing yung bad footage from the time that I took the exam. Hopefully it's looking better at least right now. Like I said, I switched to the 60 FPS. It's going to be a lot bigger file, but if that will solve the the jelly in the footage, then that's better. Kasi to be honest, even with the drones, the first time na nagkaroon ako ng jello effect sa drone, it's a major turn off for me. So as much as possible, I don't want to have that. I didn't have the same problem with the Hero 8. Never naman ako nagka-jello effect doon, maski dun sa 30 FPS or 24 FPS na mode. So I think that's one thing na better sa algorithm ng Hero. I mean, no doubt with this DJI, nung tinitignan ko yung parang slow pag mga regular vlogging, yung naglalakad ka lang and just taking up some shots, maganda yung quality niya, maganda yung image quality, maganda yung brightness niya even sa dark areas, no doubt. But I didn't buy this camera to do like yung walking vlogs. This is mainly the purpose for doing it, attaching it to a helmet and doing sort of a motovlog. That's my main purpose. So if hindi ma-solve yung jello effect, that's going to be a turn off for me. So if hindi man ma-address ng switching to 60 FPS mode itong jello effect, hopefully DJI will come up with an upgrade, maybe a firmware upgrade in the future to like address that issue. I'm pretty sure they will be able to do it. So may pasok na pala, hindi na school holidays. So yeah, that will also contribute to the traffic. To the freeway. Now that I think about it, mas smooth nga yung throttle response. I think maybe because they said they updated the ECU, so it might have something to do with that. So my modifications or updates at yun yung ginawa nila, then that's good, that makes sense. So usually sa motorway nila, speed limit is only at 110. I haven't seen any motorway here yet na mas mataas dyan. Even the sound, I'm still on the mic level, I'm still on the process of tweaking it. See, an amazing feature of this DJI camera is that it has this feature of limiting the mic gain level. So at the moment, I don't know, yung sa first na motovlog ko with this camera, sobrang hina nung sa may mic niya. So I had to do a bit of a tweaking there. Hopefully we're spot on. I'm not expecting that, but hopefully we are spot on the first time. So far the weather looks okay. I hope it stays that way until makauwi ako. See, I was right. There's a lot of traffic at the moment. Oh, that wind really hits hard. magkano ang gas na na-spend natin from that trip. Wow. Alright. So that's 8 liters. Ilang kilometers yan? 100 kilometers. Hi. Number 6, please.
Number 6, yes, you.
All good? Thank you. Alright. Oh, I need to get that pipe clean.
NANI?!
Oh, that's a sweet looking bike you got. So we are now just 7 minutes away from the house. I think I'm gonna end the vlog here. Yeah, so far so good. I'm satisfied with my purchase of this bike. No major issues on the general inspection ECU and everything. No major errors on the ECU. That's a big thing. We spent less than what we expected for the maintenance, so that's good as well. Everything's good. It didn't rain, so that's good as well. Everything's good. The mission is a success. So I will see you on the next